Making $100 per day online might sound impossible, but with the Temu affiliate program, it is more achievable than you think. You do not need to buy anything or hold inventory. Instead, you can earn commissions by promoting products. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started and maximize your earnings. First, sign up for the Temu affiliate program. Registration is free and only takes a few minutes. Once approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link. This link tracks anyone who makes a purchase through your recommendation, earning you a commission. Next, research which products are trending on Temu. Focus on items with high demand and positive reviews. Popular categories like gadgets, home essentials, and fashion often perform well. The more appealing the product, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Share your affiliate links on social media platforms, blogs, or YouTube. Create engaging content such as product reviews or unboxing videos to attract viewers. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to reach a larger audience. Monitor your results using Temu's analytics dashboard. Double down on strategies that work and experiment with new promotional methods to increase your daily earnings. For more tips on making money online, subscribe to the Wealthy Up channel and stay updated with the latest affiliate marketing hacks.